Hello people, so today, I don't know what I'm doing. So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to be making slime, but yeah. And the thing is, I'm running out of bicarbonate soda. It's only got like the tiniest bit, guys. Like, look at that. Hardly any in there. You can't like hardly see it. And the worst thing today is I'm making it with a fork. And I don't know how I'm supposed to make it with a fork because I don't know what. Okay, let's just get started. So I cannot pause this video, guys, because something's happened with my phone. It makes me now I can't like pause the video. So like when people pause my out, so I have to move around with the phone. So if you hear that person or someone say "come on Alfie" or hear any trucks or that's either my dog or my dad. So let's just get started. And please, can I get at least 25 likes on this video? And I've been kind of getting on my second video. I got 0 views. I've got no views yet, but my friend Scarlett has watched it, so hopefully I'll have got any views. So sorry, my phone just came off. So basically, let's just get started. So right now I'm just going to pour the glue in. I'm only making like little small slime. And god damn, this glue is so nice. I'm gonna make that big. And now, when did you get that thin? And now I'm not sure if I should make like a fluffy one or a number one. Well, I make the normal one. Like, yeah. So I might make a fluffy one. So comment down below which is your favourite colour. Is it the normal pink or the Pearl Effect purple? So I think I'm going to make the pink because this one is the Pearl Effect purple. You might not be able to see the purple, but it's kind of like a Pearl Effect. So when you start like stretching it, it's kind of like purple. So a big shout out to my friend It's Ellie Vlogs, because she's my bestest friend at school, and she subscribed to me. She was the first person to subscribe to me, so big shout out to her. So I'm just putting my bicarbonate of soda in, but I cannot get it out. I really hate you, bicarbonate of soda. I can't even get anything. It's not even showing me. I'm trying to be like funny, but like people think I'm not. Oh, I got it. It's not that good. I'm gonna make it like a really light kind of pink. Light pink. Did you see that, guys? It's a swirl. That was so cool, guys. So right now I am just about to put. So now I'm going to put in my shaving foam. I'm pretty much running out because on the last one me and my mum made, and me and my friend made it. We made a fluffy slime, a really good fluffy slime. I'm only going to put a little bit of fluff in it because I'm just not sure on if I should actually like put too much. Should I put more glue in there? Because it doesn't look like much glue. It just looks like shaving foam. Guys, look at that. It's just shaving foam. It's just random shaving foam. What if I added a little Pearl Effect to it? Like made it a little bit pearl. I'm running out of this Pearl Effect and I've only used a little bit today. It's like the tiniest one ever. Okay, so now I'm going to put the activator in. And if you have activator, I keep activating it, but before you mix it, put a tiny bit of shaving foam like that much, because then it activates like really quickly. But then like it may get a little bit like sticky, so before you start, my precious finger, put more activator in there, Just keep mixing the activator. Comment down below. So remember when I just told you to comment down below what your favourite colour of these are? Also, can you please hit that notification bell? Hit the notification bell and then hit that subscribe button and then comment down below when you are done, and you might get a next shout out in the next video. And just so you know guys, I don't post that oftenly because sometimes I get my phone taken off me, which is bad. But yeah, so and also I want you to comment down below weird if you think I'm weird, or cool if you think I'm cool, or any kind of word to describe me. So yeah, I cannot do this. This is like the worst. That was on the edge. And guys, I want you to comment down below if you think I'd be a good gamer, because I actually play Roblox and that. And then if you know how to do this and you're a gamer and you're watching me right now, I want you to tell me how all these fun gamers and that get their picture and also the actual screen of their game, because I cannot do that right now because I am like the worst. I am the worst at doing that. So if I was a gamer, I'd just be showing you my phone going, okay, so here's what I'm doing. I cannot see what I'm doing. I need to post like that. So yeah. So basically, this slime is going really good, but it's just not activating, which I really hate about slime when it doesn't activate. And I want you to comment down below if you know how to make slime, or you make slime. That would be so cool. Why am I telling you guys to comment down below so much stuff? Comment down below if you love squishies. Okay, I'm gonna stop telling you guys to comment down below stuff because like it's just not fair. Because then like you have to go, oh yeah, I'll comment down below that, and the next second I'm like, comment down below this, and then they're like, oh my god, I cannot start comment down below in this. When's this gonna end? Okay, so I really wish I could pause my video. This is actually a good slime, guys. Not that much of a good. Oh, I hate this. But it's working, but I don't want it to be too like. I have a feeling this one may have gone too sticky. I need to start mixing it first. Oh, look at that! Yeah. Wait. Let's do it a way you can see it. Cause all them people have got them selfie sticks and they just like put it on their bed or something, or where they put it, and then it actually shows you the sign. Here's up. What was that? No matter. You won't see my face now, guys. So yeah, you see my. I don't want you guys seeing my mouth because I just look so ugly. And if you're so bored of me, just look at this slime. You can start by looking at this slime. It's a really cool slime, guys. I just hope it doesn't combine together with the other slime. It's overactivated. Guys, it's overactivated. Oh, I'm the worst person at making slime. If you ever need someone to make slime, do not ask me. All them people who like YouTubers and that, like So Quiet and that, they're really good, but then when they get like slime packages, like they're so unimpressed. Like even if it's got like the tiniest hair in it, they scream, they go, ah, my hair in my slime. Mom, this is the worst slime package in the world. I am playing with the tiniest bit of slime. That must have been how this one worked, because I put a tiny bit of actually the made slime. Oh, looks like it's worked, but like need to work in with their hands. The hands of people, or the people's hands. It's worked with kind of, yeah. let's just, yeah. So guys, this tiny bit's kind of working, so I'm just gonna drop it into the slime. Oh, this slime's getting better. I just wish it would have been better now. Comment down below what my next video should be, guys. Comment down, just all them comment down below as I've said. I want you to replay this video, and all them comment down below. I want you guys to just choose one, or as many as you want, but just like, I'm not really that silly or anything, I just don't know. Whenever I make the video, I don't know what to say to comment down, to make you guys comment down below, because like, I'm just really bad at comment down below. So this slime has pretty much got better. It's not that good. Maybe I could just play with it for a bit. I'll mix you now. I got slime there. If I've got slime on my face after I made this video, I am going to scream my duck off. The reason why that, on that first video that I made, it was just like a really weird video, and some people at school were like, oh my god, that was hilarious. I do think it was pretty hilarious, because at the first thing, my mom came in, goes, I disagree with slime. I really hate it. It's like slime's my enemy. Slime is my enemy, but I just love making it. I just like can't believe it just sticks to me and it just hurts me. Sometimes it gets stuck to me and then I can never get it off. And then I have to do it before my mum gets back from work, or my mum will get angry at me and I'll have to have a shower, and I hate showers. But I love baths, but like we can't have a bath anymore because like not poor or anything. We're good people. I just don't want any haters when I start getting older and I start vlogging. Cause like, if I get any haters, it wouldn't be like that fair. Because I'm not like a person who wants to make money from YouTube. I like people who make money. They're like thanking like the Dobro brothers. I love them so much. They're just like so addictive, like to me watching them. But then like I don't get why when people vlog they get money and it's like they buy cars. I like their cars in that, but then like these like people buy too much stuff. Like Jake Paul he bought a Lamborghini with pennies. That's just so dumb. Who would buy a Lamborghini with pennies? I don't even get why the person who like was serving them let them actually have the Lamborghini. Like seriously, yeah. So I think I know what I'm gonna do, guys. So I'm going to end this video here right now because this is what the slime ended up like. It's perfect. It's a nice little fluffy slime. But I'm gonna end this video right here now, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please smash that like button and remember 25 likes and lots of subscribers would do like the best. I'd even sell merch like the best, like the most amazing merch, because I've never been a YouTuber and this would have been like a dream come true. It would have made me even happier than I am right now, because like I've not really got like, I'm not really that happy because like I've been through quite a few sad stuff with my dog in that, so yeah. So it would be a dream come true if I could have like lots of subscribers and get like lots of people to like me, because then I'd do vlogging even more, and then that would make my dog happy, and then he'd be better, because he's 12 years old, also 84, and he is like so sad, he can't even walk. So if I had like lots of subscribers and I told my family, my dog would have been on this on his feet, on his paws, walking properly. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'm just feeling crazy right now. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you later. Bye.